what is this, just 1 over 500 dt. Okay, so what do we get? What's the antiderivative here?
ln minus q.
Close.
Absolute.
Close. What about the compensation for the chain rule?
Negative
Negative.
Minus.
minus ln.
Okay. Okay. What's the antiderivative here?
1 over 500.
Was it?
1 over 500.
No, the antiderivative
Oh.
1 over 500.
1 over 500.
You better get this one. What's the antiderivative? What's the antiderivative constant?
Is t.
T times the constant. Okay, so T over 500. Okay, plus, there's our C. Okay,
Is that t or 1? T.
T. Antiderivative of 1 over 500 is T.
E to the
Okay, so throw the minus sign on the other side. So minus T over 500. Can I rename minus C A? Why not? Why don't we just call it A? Okay. Okay, undo it, extract the Q.
E
What do
to
you
the
do?
E to the power.
E to the power.
E to the power negative.
Okay, so basically I'm gonna rename that plus or minus e to the a, we'll call it b or something. So I'm gonna call this
C and A and then
e to the minus t over 500. Okay, so Q is 400 minus b e to the minus t over 500. Okay. Now, can we figure out what b is? Can we figure out? Here's where the initial condition comes in. Can we figure out what b is? What do we know about the start of this thing?
It's a constant. 20.
Yeah. So what about 20? At what time is it 20?
Zero.
Time zero. So we know, in other words, that Q of 0 is 20. But that's 400 minus b e to the 0. Right? Minus 0 over 500. But what is e to the 0? 1. So in other words, 20 is 400 minus b. So b is what? 380. Okay. So you could write this as okay, so that's going to be, that tells you at any time exactly how much t is in minutes. So after t minutes, that's how much salt is going to be in there at that moment. Okay. Now on Wednesday, I want you to practice. I put up some of these on